Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm back with a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. Today is May 14th, and I got my premium box first. I think I got that a week ago, and then I got my base box with add-ons today. So, yay, let's go in and take a look at what I got. I got my Brianna here, which you know, she will be calculating everything. This is the Boxycharm Flourish? I don't know. Okay, I don't want to see what I got. I will be pulling them out, and then she will take care of totaling everything up for us.
Holy moly. This stuff is expensive.
Okay, so the first thing that I see here is from Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift, Smooth, and Lift. This looks like it is, yep, it is a hyaluronic encapsulated serum from Japan. Wow. Let me take this out because that bottle looks beautiful and it says encapsulated. So, yeah, guys, look at this. Oh, that is beautiful. Do you guys see? Let me get up. Do you guys see the capsules in there, I guess is what it's... let me go here. The capsules? Wow. Hyaluronic acid. My last video I said, give me that hyaluronic acid. Same thing. I'm a dork. I know. Okay, how much is this, Brie?
$65.
$65 for this thing. And I am so excited to try this. This is going to go in my little skincare area right next to me. Okay, the next item we have here is from Murad. Thank you, Luna. We got a Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Guys, I have so much skincare. I just got one last month on my Boxycharm, and I haven't even opened that baby up yet. So this is what that looks like. But it's an overnight detox moisturizer, which I'm actually very happy that I got this because I'm going to crack open the one from last month because I'm ready for a new moisturizer for nighttime. So, yes. How much is this, Brie?
The most expensive one, $74.
$74 for this full-size product right here. Okay, let's move on. Tristique, a brow pencil plus brow gel in the color Mocha. So, guys, Tristique, we've seen a few times in Boxycharm. I have a favorite. Let me pull it out. Where'd I put it? Did I dump it in here? Yeah. I have my inner corners. You will always find this Tristique highlighter. So I really like these. That is what the pencil looks like. I hope the color works because lately I haven't been going so bold with my brows. That is the shape. So it says brow gel plus brow gel. Does this come off? Yeah. Oh, cool. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. I don't know if I got this in a Boxycharm or not. I don't know where I got it from. Maybe it was an Ipsy. I had a Tristique one just like this. Same pencil, only it was a mini, but it was dried out. I could not use it. So hopefully I can actually try the formula now and see if I actually like it. But I love the pencil. I love it. Cool. Does it focus? Yeah. So I like the pencil. How much is this, Brie?
$26.
$26 for this full-size brow pencil. Okay, the next item looks like it's never heard of this brand. Sophia plus Mabel. Hydrated Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. And the color Weekend Getaway. Ooh, cute plastic packaging there. Oh, wow. That is like a maroon color. Let's go ahead and give this a swatch. Ooh, but it's not that deep. It's not as deep as the bullet looks. So, looks like I could wear this and no problems. So, very cool. How much is this? $15 for this lipstick. I'll give it a try. It slided on nice and smoothly, so yeah, let's try it.
I didn't do that.
Give me. Okay, guys, the last thing here. How many items is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the last thing here is from Cab Cosmetics, and I think this is, oh, I forget her name. She's from that show or X show. She's not there now. The Real Housewives of Atlanta. I forget her name. So this is the Day and Night palette. It looks like that is the outer packaging. Very neutral colors. I have probably every single one of these shades in my collection. But I'm interested to try the formula. This is like, these colors are right up my alley. So, yeah. I'll give the formula a try. Maybe I'll do a video with some Boxycharm products that I've gotten lately. Get ready with me. So, we'll do that. Okay, we're done. That is it. How much is that?
52.
That palette is $52, y'all. So what is my grand total? What is the value of this box, Brie?
$232.
$232 for this box, and I say it again, I only paid $25 for it. Okay, guys, let's move on to my premium box. Brie, hand it over. Here it is. Let's see what I got. Okay, so this first thing here, LaRousse, I think is how you say that.
No.
What are these? Feels like some, oh, I'm gonna end up ripping the paper. Some brushes. I can never have enough brushes.
Those are free.
They're free?
Just a LaRousse here. Oh, yeah, it does.
This looks like an eyeliner, maybe pencil. Look at that. I love that. Good grip to it. Ooh, it's soft. So you got, I don't know, I would use this. It's small for like a foundation brush, I think, but to buff out maybe my cream bronzer. We'll try that. And then I got this one, which I feel I could probably use as a highlight or to set my powder underneath my eyes. So it's nice and soft, and I do like that detail on the brush. What does this say? Yep. It says this is a highlighter brush, and what does this say? This just says it's a kabuki brush, and this one says it is a, let me see, can you guys see that? A small angled brush. So what is the value of these brushes, Brianna?
The most expensive. Those are only 3 brushes, and it's $96.
These are $96?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I would not pay $96 for these brushes. BK Beauty now, those brushes I actually just bought, and I feel like those are well worth it. But for these 3 brushes at $96, they better do some amazing work. Like, I can see these 2 working, but this one right here, we'll try them though. Hey, I love brushes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see that little collection I got there?
Not little. That ain't little.
Okay, I'll stop moving my camera around. So that's that. Okay, guys, the next item here is from Royal Tulip Nectar. Yeah, Luna. Moisturizer. So it looks like it's a moisturizer. Cute box. Wow, do you guys see that? It's glass. It's nice and it's heavy. Mine was actually open. Do you guys see that? It looks like it was open in there. It's like a jelly consistency. Very strange. Let's try it. Feels weird. Oh, that feels so weird, guys. I wish you guys could feel this. Wow. Feels very oily. I don't know if I have to mix it. I don't know. Huh. That'll be interesting. I've never tried this brand. I've never heard of them. There's no smell to it. So, moisturizing nectar. We'll see. How much is this, Brie?
$65.
That is a $65 moisturizer. I like the packaging. It's very cute. The product inside feels very weird, though. We'll see if it does anything. Okay, let me move on. The next item here is from Grown Alchemist, and it is a body cream, Mandarin and Rosemary leaf. That is a mouthful right there. That is what that says. You guys can pause it and read it. Let's open this up. It's in a tube. It's teal. Looks cool. Let's see. I'm not gonna... Well, should I open this? It's a body cream. Yeah, I need it. Okay, guys. So it's sealed. So you use the cap to open it. Let's go ahead and try it. I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm not sure. So I said it in a couple videos, guys, but I have severe eczema on my hands. That's why you'll always notice my hands are super dry. I can smell the Mandarin and I can smell the Rosemary for sure. But it feels cooling. Oh, I like that. I can really feel the cooling sensation. But I'm very excited for it. Typically, when you have eczema, you are told not to use products with fragrance in them. I don't listen very often, but since it seems it's natural, I hope it won't be an issue, so I will let you guys know. How much is that?
$126.
$126?
It's only $26.
$26?
Yeah.
She is such a liar. Oh my god. Okay, $26, guys. $26. I was gonna say $126. You're freaking crazy. The next item here is what is this? A facial serum concentrate. It says pimples on here, so I wonder if it's targeted for pimples. Odacite, I think, is the brand. I will leave it there for you guys. No parabens, no fragrance, pure plant alchemy. So it's plant-based. So it's a dropper. It's a dropper. It's a serum. I will read more into this. Mix 2 to 3 drops in your cream or apply alone for a more intensive solution. So it says pimples. So like I said, it seems it's targeted for pimples, which I have a couple coming in now. So we'll test that out. How much is that? $36. And I got 2 more things, guys. So we got some eye masks. Dragon's Blood eye masks, hydrate and tone from Rhode Isle, I think is how you say this. I'm not gonna open this, guys. It's eye masks. The last and final thing, guys, is from Too Faced, and that is the Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. I really have not been purchasing much from Too Faced. I really haven't been interested in any of their things. There is that cute teddy bear bronzer that I'm eyeing, but for the moment, I'm good. I'm good. I got way too many things.
18.
This thing is $18?
The other one.
Oh, sorry. So this thing here, the eye masks, is $18. And how much is this Too Faced thing? $21. This is the packaging. Let's go ahead and take a swatch. I like that. I like the color. It says it's supposed to be matte. Let me blend it in. Wow. Very little goes a long way, guys, because I'm still going. But do you see that? So very little is needed. I am still going. Looks like it's starting to dry down, but yeah. Very little is needed. Make a note of that. Okay, guys, so that was my premium box. Brianna, what is the total value of that box?
$262.
$262, and the premium box is $35 a month, guys. Okay, looks like we got a good mix of skincare and some makeup. Yeah, fun. Let's move on to my add-ons. I had very few add-ons, but let me go ahead and show you. I only got 3 items. I got the Mana Kadar Beauty tweezers. So I use these to open up all of my boxes, so they are very dull. So I bought a new set for me. Oh, looks like one. Ooh, it's sharp. It's all actually, it's not that bad. So this is the very pointy one. It doesn't feel sharp at all. And then this is the slanted one right there. Okay, and I think I paid $6 for this. Okay, the next add-on, guys, is from Saturday Skin, and I got the Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. I know I don't need any more skincare, but I really like Saturday Skin, so I really wanted to try this moisturizer. It is a Vitamin C Sleeping Mask, and I really like vitamin C. So I wanted to try this one out. And then last but not least, I got my Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. So this came in a lot of other people's Boxycharm for April. I did not get this, but I saw it at in the pop-up shop, so I got it. I love these colors. Good for spring. I got jealous, so I got it. Adding on to my Natasha Denona collection. Okay, guys, that is it for my Boxycharm. I will leave my referral link down below. Luna, as you can hear, is getting restless. So, time for me to go. Gotta take these kids to soccer, and then I go out to eat dinner with some girlfriends today. If you like this makeup look, that will be coming up next after this video. See ya.